In this video, we will see some of the amazing gadgets for your room. Nowadays, it is possible to charge your smartphone with your work desk, thanks to the next generation of wireless charging. Enerqui mounts under the surface of your table, desk or any furniture while your phone charges on the surface. Charging up to 40mm away, Enerqui can turn practically any piece of furniture in your home or office into a fast wireless charging station. No additional changes required. Simply plug in the fast wireless charger, mount it under the surface of your choice and begin charging your phone. Enerqui wireless charger is compatible with most of the leading mobile phones including iPhone and Samsung. Continuous looking down at your computer screen can make you suffer from eye strain or back pain. If you face such problems, then you should definitely check out this monitor stand riser that will help you to develop a right sitting posture, making you free from tension headaches or eye and neck strain. This monitor stand also helps in improving computer's ventilation. The stand has various holding slots for the cell phone, coffee cup, paper clips and other everyday office supplies. Once you complete your work, you can even slide your keyboard, mouse and notepad under the stand to keep your desk properly arranged. The stand can also be used for putting TV, laptop or printer. Medical research has confirmed that sitting for a long period is unhealthy. To stay healthy, one should not sit for more than 40 minutes in an hour. Introducing FlexiSpot Compact Riser Stand-Up Desk Converter. Keyboard tray drops onto the desk to rest so that you don't need to raise your chair while seated. Advanced gas spring mechanism allows you to adjust your position in seconds with one touch to the lever. There is no preset height. You can easily adjust standing desk to match your requirements. Ergonomic back tilt keyboard tray keeps your wrist in a neutral position. You can even remove the keyboard tray when you need your desk for another job. So if your job involves a lot of computer work, then you should definitely consider this product. This little sticker making machine is perfect for scrapbooking, card making, school and scout projects. Drop your die cuts, photos, ribbon and labels up to 1.5 inches wide and they will come out with the adhesive evenly spread on one side. Some of the features are no mess use, small and lightweight, edge-to-edge coverage, acid-free and heat-free. The device requires electricity or batteries. Unit measures approximately 4 by 4 by 2 inches. Adhesive roll measures 20 feet long and 1.5 inches wide. The product is made in United States. Petforu Magnetic Levitation Globe is a high rotation C-shaped magnetic suspension levitation globe with LED lights. It can be used for education or home and office desk decoration. The magnetic globe floats steadily for 24 hours 365 days. The device comes with the LED light feature that makes it look very cool when turned on in the dark. The base contains a microprocessor and electronic control components that makes the globe levitate. This product is widely used for advertising display, kids learning education, teaching novelty toys, home, office or desktop decoration, business gifts, art craft gifts, creative birthday gifts and Merry Christmas gifts. Mini Bluetooth Virtual Laser Wireless Projection Portable Keyboard. You might be thinking that this is a scene from some sci-fi movie. In fact, this one is real. This is the most advanced projection keyboard ever created. This laser keyboard is compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS and Android operating systems. The keyboard is available in various languages including English, Spanish, Arabic and Chinese. This keyboard not only helps in typing text, but you can also make the music from it. The keyboard transforms into the piano keys and also sync up with the built-in music app. Would you like to transform your space into the imaginary playground? Here is the solution. Element Light, the world's smartest and the most modular light. Element's fully modular design allows you to create any patterns you want. Rearranging your awesome designs in seconds with a rigid pinpoint system. With hundreds of incredible themes, you could bring a vivid light art to your wall. Each panel has built-in proximity sensor that allows you to hover control each panel individually. Built-in microphone automatically synchronizes the rhythm of your favorite music and gives you the exclusive light show. Elements app is available on both iOS and Android. It also supports Google Home Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Comment below which gadget you like the most from this video. Please like and share the video. If you are new to our channel, then hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to get the notifications of our upcoming tech videos. Thanks for watching.